Welcome guys. So we have a question that we're supposed to do here. This is a grade 12 question. This is it mathematics. My name is Chaumba. I'm going to be your leader in this question. So I do request you to pause your video. You try to do this question. All right, you try to do this question with me. Then let us compare our answers. In the diagram below, OABC is a parallelogram. Very important, in which OA is equals to A and AB is equals to B. AC and O and OB meet at D such that OD is equal to DB. OC is produced to E such that CE is equals to half OC. Then now we have the questions that we're supposed to do. The question is very clear. Okay, so what is going to be the answer for the first one, which is OB? OB, if you look at it, these are vectors. We need to identify the topic. I should have mentioned that. These are vectors. Okay, so how do we navigate a situation here on the first one? So OB is going to be OA plus AB. All right, and then now we come and get these magnitudes that are here. The direction, we have followed that. The magnitude, what is this? O to A, it is denoted by A. Then AB is denoted by this. So if you're asking me what the answer is going to be for the first one, this is what is going to be the answer. When we come to the second one, ladies and gentlemen, we want to look at AD from A to D, from A to D. So which route do we take? At the end of the day in mathematics, we always convince ourselves that it's better to take a simpler route, the one that gives you an easier way of doing it. So in the case of this question, if you went through this way and then you came from B to D, you still get the same answer, but the challenge here, you may need to put a negative here, and if you forget that, that may spoil your work. So I think that this one would be easier, where we are going to say this is AO plus OD. All right, now this is OA. Now when we say AO, we are going to apply a minus to this A because we are moving in an opposite direction. Then plus OD, as you could see here, we are being told that OD is equal to DB. So meaning OD is going just to be half of what? Of AB. Of OB, sorry. Of OB, not AB, sorry. Of OB. But don't forget that we already found this OB. So we'll go down and say A plus 1 over 2. What did we get here? We had A plus B. That's what we had, if you remember. It's the question of us getting rid of the brackets here. We'll have minus A plus 1 over 2A plus 1 over 2B. Then now we work out these two here. These are like terms. These are like terms. If it's kind of difficult for you to work it as it is written this way, you could easily bring this one the other side. Okay, so what do we do here? Or maybe, so we say we have minus A, then plus 1 over 2A. So if we put a 1 here, what are we going to get as our lowest common multiple? Put a 2. I'm trying to do all this for your sake, ladies and gentlemen, so that you understand. All right. Then we say 1 into 2, it's going to be 2. So I'll have a negative 2a plus 2 into 2, it will be, so here we'll have an a. I hope you're getting this one, ladies and gentlemen. So we are going to end up with minus a over 2. This minus a over 2, it is as simple as, or it's just the same as negative half and a. We could write it this way. I want you to understand that. So I will revert to the original question. After we have worked out this part, I'm sure you do agree with me that this is going to end as 1 over 2a plus 1 over 2b. So at this point, we can simplify this one here. First of all, it would mathematically look better if we start with 1 over 2b and then the minus 1 comes this side. Oh, sorry, this is an a here. I hope you get that. Then we need just to factorize for simplicity. So we can have 1 over 2, then b minus a. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what we're going to end up with as our answer. This is very simple, only that I tried to take my time to explain even minor stages, just for your sake. All right. So then I want to draw your attention to the last question here. I want to draw your attention to the last question here, which is BE. So how do we deal with BE? If you look at BE, it is from B to E. So B to E, we need to take, we could take so many routes, but I think in the case of simplicity and taking something that does not complicate things, would look at it this way, that BE would be easier if we say it is equal to BC plus CE. All right, and take note that this is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram, ladies and gentlemen. So for a parallelogram, these are parallel sides. This side and this one, they are equal. So this is an A, even this side is an A. But look, take note that now that we are moving from B to C, again, I'll apply a minus A. Then this is, we have been told here that CE is equals to half of OC. OC, what is our OC? Our OC is B. It's the same, B. Oh, okay. Sorry, I did not notice that you were not seeing where I was writing. Sorry about that. So this is what I was trying to just say here. So we are being told that this CE is half of OC. So what is our OC? Our OC is given here. It's the same as B. So the last answer is going to be this one. Just like I had indicated, ladies and gentlemen, that our job is to teach. Those of you that could be satisfied with my way of teaching and you could trust me to be your teacher, I would be glad if you can get in touch with me on the first number. If it is not going through, I co-teach with Mr. Piri, who has the second number. We always appreciate that you watch our videos, you support our channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and constructively criticize if at all there would be need. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.